Hi guys, we're gonna make some bingo cards for Halloween. We're gonna go to Google Slides. We're gonna click on blank presentation. Here I'm going to remove this part and I'm going to hit delete because we're not going to need this information, okay? Okay, now I want you to go to insert table. The size of the table will be 3 times 3. We're gonna make it larger. Okay, now here we're going to start inserting images. I have a lot of images on my computer that I found them previously from a website that I'm gonna link the web page below, okay? Okay, so we're going to continue doing the same thing, filling out all the blank spaces with pictures. Okay, I am finished with this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to copy and paste this slide. Okay, so here I'm going to remove 2 pictures because I'm going to change them because I want my bingo cards to be different, okay? And here I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, now we're finished. So I only made 3 cards, but I suggest that you make more cards for I don't know how many students you have. So now I just made only 3 just to show you guys. So now I'm gonna save each slide. I'm gonna go to File, Download, and I'm gonna click on Save. Yeah, I'm gonna save the slide on like an image, okay? So I'm gonna do the same thing with each one. Okay, now for the bingo call list, we're gonna use this website, pickerwheel.com. We're gonna scroll down, and I want you to click here on the random image generator, because here we're going to be able to upload images. Okay, so you click here, upload image. Okay, now that I have everything done, I'm gonna click here on spin. Okay, so it's the spider. So if you want to, you have to click here on this bottom to remove the picture, okay? And then you continue doing the same thing. Okay, thank you for watching.